Today I'm going to be talking with you how to check your grades in Blackboard for all of the assignments that were graded and submitted before spring break, and also for the few of you who have not turned in your homework before spring break, I am going to show you how to turn it in today on Blackboard. So we're going to begin by logging into Blackboard. So we're going to go to our web page. We're going to click our Blackboard link. I'm going to sign in quickly here. Okay, so we'll log into Blackboard. Most of you are probably already familiar with Blackboard. But I'm going to pick one of my classes just to kind of demonstrate how this is going to work to check your grades. Most of you probably have checked your grades, but if you haven't, please do that right now. The overall grade that you see in your grade book right now is going to be what you get for the first half of this class. So please make sure that you double check your grades. If there's any questions, please ask me. I should have everything already graded and all recorded. So to check your grades, you're going to go under My Grades, and it should come up with all, and you can see all the assignments that we've got here. Okay. Depending upon the class, you may have more. My grade is currently 0 because I don't have anything in my grade book, but you should see all the scores populated in your grade book if you've completed work. Now, some of you may not have submitted your homework yet before spring break, because I know that in a couple of my classes we were collecting homework right before spring break, and some of you may not have done that. So if you have not submitted your homework, if you've already submitted it, you do not need to do it again. This is only for the few students who have not turned in their homework. So if you have not turned in your homework, for the first half of this class, you're going to want to click on your assignments button here, and here's your homework listed. When you click on it, you can begin. Now, it's going to be the same questions that you had in your homework. The only thing is, it might be in a different order of the questions, but they're all going to be here. I had to make these multiple choice just so that we could get them into Blackboard. There are a few short answer questions, but the majority of your old back homework is going to be multiple choice. You'll fill it in. It'll submit it to the grade book. Now, it's not going to automatically appear in your grade book. I'm going to have to grade it and put it in there for you. But it'll tell you that it's graded, and I'll check back in Blackboard every few days. And once you've completed your work in Blackboard, I'll then transfer it to your grade book in Blackboard so you can see your scores. So it's not going to be an immediate thing, but I can see what you've done. Okay, so please make sure you complete your homework. You should have it already done. This is the exact same questions that you have in your homework assignments. Only thing is, they might be in a different order. That's it. Okay, but it's all going to be there. You click the correct answers. Once you're finished, you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click the red Save and Submit, or if you just want to save your answers right now, you could do that. But if you want to have it graded, to grade it, click the Save and Submit. When you click the Save and Submit, it'll go on to the next screen. If you leave a question blank, it'll say you left it blank. Click OK. And you can then view your results here. It'll tell you which questions you got correct. So that is how you're going to submit your old homework. Again, though, if you've already submitted your homework in class before spring break, it should be graded. It should be in your grade book. So please double check your grade book in Blackboard. That is going to be half of your grade. So make sure it is correct. If there's any questions about that, send me an email and we can work together to figure out maybe I didn't record something or something along those lines. So send me an email. we can work through things, but we need to make sure that the first half of the class, the grades are done. Right? So please, if you have not done so, submit your homework in the next few days, if possible. And also, please double check your gradebook. Even if you know you've submitted everything, just quickly double check, make sure there's no mistakes. That way we can get the first half of this class done.